Imagine a future where the government worker meets directly with citizens in-world to provide personalized services, works with other government employees directly on complex problems, maintains a virtual workspace, uses 3D visualizations to collaboratively solve government problems. Imagine a future where the citizen sits down with an IRS expert to discuss tax issues, collaborates with experts in 3D spaces to discuss and find solutions, meets with other citizens in interest groups to influence government, brings children to interactive government exhibits from their living room. Imagine a future where the soldier practices joint military exercises first in the virtual world, bridges cultural differences in international teams, accesses training through virtual world portals.
The future is now. Virtual worlds offer new 3D digital landscapes where multi-agency collaboration can occur across a variety of venues. They provide collaborative spaces where individuals interact and communicate as avatars in virtual spaces. Participants have a sense of presence, not only of themselves, but also of other individuals present in the same virtual space. This transference, the powerful sense of being there, makes the virtual world environment invaluable for collaboration and experiential learning. The use of virtual worlds is on the rise. Second Life, one of the most popular public virtual worlds, has over 15 million registered users, with over 70,000 users online at any one time. Several federal agencies sponsor virtual spaces designed for citizen outreach, providing information, and stimulating interaction with visitors. Citizens are encouraged to enter these worlds, view projects, interact with government employees, and gain insight into the key missions and activities of federal agencies. Citizens are presented with a personal face and the feeling of being there when interacting with government employees. A deputy CIO of a federal department noted that virtual worlds and the uses that consortium members are working to implement signal a change in the role of the agency chief information officers. CIOs' horizons are being stretched and are no longer constrained by their agencies, but by the collaborative needs of agency personnel and the nature of the messy problems they are addressing.
The Information Resource Management College of the National Defense University established the Federal Consortium for Virtual Worlds in July 2007 in collaboration with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the Department of State, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The consortium was created to explore multiple agency and interagency collaboration using the robust capabilities of virtual worlds. The objective of the consortium is to help government agencies to share resources, training, and experience, leverage outreach capabilities and practices, and connect to new partners and business opportunities, and to demonstrate a market for virtual world collaborative capabilities. By late 2007, the Federal Consortium for Virtual Worlds was fully operational, hosting regular meetings and in-world events. The consortium has participants from international, federal, state, and local governments, academia, and the corporate sector. It provides a venue to share best practices for the collaborative use of virtual worlds, address common challenges, and create structures to share virtual resources. The consortium current membership is over 1,000, including members from all U.S. federal cabinet-level agencies. There are over 500 federal consortium members from federal agencies, nearly 150 members from educational organizations, and 400 members from government contractors, virtual world creators, vendors, and other interested individuals. The Federal Consortium for Virtual Worlds has provided an avenue for communicating and networking horizontally across government agencies and vertically within agencies. For example, the consortium has over 30 members from different components of the Department of Homeland Security, a complex and geographically dispersed department. As a result of the consortium, DHS has created a working group of virtual worlds that takes advantage of its diversity to collaborate and communicate in addressing their agency's issues.
Consortium working groups have been created in major areas of interest, including education and training, policy and acquisition, libraries, technology and security, research and metrics, content development, state and local government, and international government. The goal is to focus the community in these areas on best practices and common solutions to challenges of virtual worlds. Working groups are chaired by co-leaders from different government organizations, and their meetings are video streamed into several virtual worlds and selected websites, enabling consortium members to participate either virtually or physically. Communication with consortium members is also facilitated through a wiki knowledge base. The Consortium Wiki allows working groups to share documents, data and resources, links to information, discussions, and blogs.
We have imagined the future, and that future is now. Many government agencies are using virtual world technologies in new and innovative ways. By reducing costs and eliminating traditional constraints, these agencies have demonstrated a variety of tangible benefits, such as training, education, team collaboration, agency outreach, and knowledge management. Join us in this exciting initiative. Become an active member